The Faculty of Engineering Technology warmly welcomes you to the Open University of Sri Lanka. This is the Faculty of Engineering Technology building. Here's the Dean's message.
We welcome you to the Dean's Office of the Faculty of Engineering Technology. We also warmly welcome you to the programs of study offered by the Faculty of Engineering Technology. As you all know, we offer the Bachelor of Technology Honours Degree Program in Engineering, Bachelor of Industrial Studies Honours Degree Program, and the Advanced Certificate in Apparel Technology Program. We hope that you have already identified your specializations and also you have fulfilled your primary qualification requirements to enter the program of study. With regards to the specializations and the programs of study, we have included all the details in the student guidebook, and we hope that you have gone through those informations. If you have a different set of qualifications and if you require those qualifications to be evaluated, the details are also given in the student guidebook, and we hope that you would go through those and submit your application to get your additional qualifications evaluated. As you all know, we offer these programs in the open distance learning mode, and the main source of learning is through the self-instructional course material, and teachers are there to assist you in your learning, and most learning has to be done by yourself. So therefore it is important that you prepare yourself to perform self-learning. So once again, I would like to welcome you to the Faculty of Engineering Technology. Thank you.
Our training engineer and assistant registrar's offices are located on the first floor of the faculty building. On the ground floor, we have the Department of Civil Engineering. The Mechanical Engineering Department is located on the first floor. On the second floor, we have the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. On the third intermediate floor, we have the Textile and Apparel Technology Department. And on the next floor, we have the Department of Mathematics and Philosophy of Engineering. Alongside it, we have the Department of Agriculture and Plantation Engineering. Now let's walk around the university. As you enter through the main entrance, the Public Information or PIO is located on your right. Next is the registration building. The official student registration process is carried out here. Once the registration is completed, visit the next counter to collect your relevant course material. The finance division is located at the following counter. All payments should be made at the SHAF counter. The laboratory session conducted in blocks 1 through 19. These are the details of their locations. These are exam halls 1 and 2. They are located between the bridge and Bodumadura. The medical center and student psychology facility is located behind the Bodumadura. Exam hall 3 is located between the faculty of building and library. We make our way to the library by passing the SETME building. As you proceed past the library, we see the Senate building, past which is the establishment building. The Student Affairs Division, Exam Division and IT Department are located here. Right next to the administration building is the cricket ground, and opposite it is the students' canteen. The students' gym is located opposite Block 1. Let's take a quick look at the entrance gates. You can access the campus through Gate 3 of Kolumbage Mawatha, or if from Narayanpeta through Gate 4. The temporary residential facility for students is located right by the Narayanpeta entrance. Student parking is available at gates 3 and 4. Furthermore, exam halls 4, 5 and 6 are located by the gate 4. We hope this introduction gave you a pulse of the Open University premises. Once again, welcome freshman class.